Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Army Public School and College Zamzama Nowshera Can. Class 10 Week 1 Block 2 Chapter number 2 Subject Mathematics prepared by Mr. Zafar Khatak. Textbook Mathematics 10 Science Group page number 43 and 44 exercise 2.7 and 2.8 topic simultaneous equations and word problem resources required textbook. Objective. By the end of the lesson student will be able to solve a system of two equations in variable when one equation is linear and the other is quadratic. Both equations are quadratic. The real life problem leading to quadratic equations. Recap. What is quadratic equation? What is elimination and substitution method? And how many methods to solve quadratic equation? So student, Chapter number 2 topic simultaneous equations exercise 2.7. There are different types of simultaneous equation. So the first type is question number 1. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Question number 1 is x plus y is equal to 5, x square minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. In solution, x plus y is equal to 5, which is equation number 1. X square minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0, equation number 2. From 1, x is equal to 5 minus y. Put in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x square minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. So f5 minus y whole square minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. By opening the formula, 5 minus y whole square, which is 25 plus y square minus 10y minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. Y square minus 12y minus 11 is equal to 0. The next step is y square minus 12y minus plus 11 is equal to 0, which is quadratic equation. So by using factorization method, y square minus 11y minus y plus 11 is equal to 0. So y is common, y minus 11 minus 1 common, y minus 11 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y minus 11 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 11. Putting the values of y in equation number 1, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 11. So equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 5 or x plus y is equal to 5. So putting this value of y, which is 1 and 11, x plus 1 is equal to 5 or x plus 11 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 1 or x is equal to 5 minus 11. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 6. So the solution set is minus 6, 11, 4 and 1. Question number 2 is similar to question number 1, so it is your assignment. So topic simultaneous equations, chapter number 2, exercise 2.7. Question number 1, which is x minus y is equal to 7, 2 divided by x minus 5 by y is equal to 2. It is the another types of simultaneous equations. So x minus y is equal to 7 is equation number 1 and 2 by x minus 5 by y is equal to 2, equation number 2. Multiply equation 2 by xy. So it means that 2y minus 5x is equal to 2xy. From equation number 1, x is equal to 7 plus y minus y is shifted to the right hand side, so it means that their sign will be changed. So put in equation number 3, which is 2y minus 5x is equal to 2xy. So 2y minus 5, the value of x is 7 plus y, so put in equation number 3, 7 plus y is equal to 2 into xy. So x have value 7 plus y, bracket close, into y. The next step is 2y minus 35y minus 5y is equal to 2y multiplied by 7, which is 14y plus 2y square. So the next step is minus 3y 2y minus 5y, which is minus 3y minus 35 is equal to 14y plus 2y square. So minus 3y minus 35 will be shifted to the right hand side, so their sign will be changed. So 0 is equal to 2y square plus 14y plus 3y plus 35, or 2y square plus 14y plus 3y plus 35 is equal to 0. So 2y square plus 17y plus 35 is equal to 0. Next step is 2y square plus 10y plus 7y plus 35 is equal to 0, because this step is a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation is solved by three method: factorization method, quadratic formula, and completing square. So by using factorization method, 2y square plus 10y plus 7y plus 35 is equal to 0. 2y common, y plus 5 plus 7, y plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2y plus 7 and y plus 5 is equal to 0. 2y plus 7 is equal to 0, or y plus 5 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 7 by 2, or y is equal to minus 5. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x minus 5 is equal to 7. X minus bracket minus 7 by 2 is equal to 7, or x minus bracket minus 5 bracket close is equal to 7. So it means that x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 7, or x plus 5 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 minus 7 by 2 shifted to the right hand side. So plus 7 by 2 sign will be changed, which is minus 7 by 2, or x is equal to 7 minus 5. So x is equal to 14 minus 7 divided by 7, or x is equal to 2. So it means that x is equal to 7 by 2, or x is equal to 2. Solution set is 2 minus 5, 7 by 2 and minus 7 by 2. Question number 4 is similar to question number 3. Question number 6. X plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5, and x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 5. It is the another type of simultaneous equation. In solution, x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5, which is equation number 1. X plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 5, which is equation number 2. From equation number 1, equation number 1 is x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5. So by opening the formula, x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to 5. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 5 from minus 2. 1 plus 1, 2 shifted to the right hand side, their sign will be changed. So another step, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 3, equation number 3. From equation number 2, which is x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 5, by opening the formula, x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square is equal to 5. So x square plus 2x plus y square is equal to 5 minus 4. X square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1, which is equation number 4. So x square, equation number 3, and equation number 4, which is x square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1. After subtraction, minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. Minus 2 common, x minus y is equal to 2. Minus 2 divided on both sides, so x minus y is equal to minus 1. Put in equation number 4. X square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1, equation number 4. Putting the value of x, which is 1, y minus 1 whole square plus y square plus 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 1. By opening the formula, which is a minus b whole square, mean that y square plus 1 minus 2y plus y square plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 1. Y square plus y square means 2y square, 1 shifted to the right hand side, 1 minus 1, which is 0, minus 2y plus 4y plus 2y. So the next step is 2y square plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 is common, y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Divided 2 on both sides, So the next step is y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation by using factorization method, which is y square plus 2y minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y common y plus 2 minus 1 common y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 and y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 or y is equal to minus 2. Putting the values of y in equation number 5, which is x is equal to y minus 1, x is equal to 1 minus 1, or x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3. Solution set is minus 3, minus 2, 0 and 1. So student, question number 5 is similar to question number 6. So it is your home assignment. So student, question number 5 are similar to question number 6. It is your home assignment. Now question number 9. It is the another types of simultaneous equation. 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4. 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7. In solution, 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4, which is equation number 1. 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7, which is equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by 5. Both have x square and y square. So it means that 5 multiply with equation number 1 become 35x square minus 15y square is equal to 20, equation number 3. Multiply equation 2 by 3. So 6x square plus 15y square is equal to 21. Next, adding equation 2 and 3. So it means that 35x square minus 15y square is equal to 20. 6x square plus 15y square is equal to 21. So 15y square minus 15y square plus 15y square are cancelled. So 41x square is equal to 41. Divided 41 on both sides. So it means that x square is equal to 1. Taking square root on both sides. So it means that x is equal to plus minus 1. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Putting the values of x in equation number 1. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1 is 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4. By putting the value of 1, so 7 into 1 means 7 minus 3y square is equal to 7 minus 3y square is equal to 4. 3y square shifted to the right hand side. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3y square. 3 is equal to 3y square. Y square is equal to 1. Y is equal to square root 1 mean that taking square root on both sides, y is equal to plus minus 1. So another x value have minus 1. So it means that 7 minus 1 whole square plus 3 y square is equal to 4. Similar, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3y square, 3 is equal to 3y square, y square is equal to 1, taking square root on both sides. So it means that y is equal to plus minus 1. So the solution set is plus minus 1 and plus minus 1. Question number 11. 3x square minus y square is equal to 26. Equation number 1, 3x square minus 5xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. Second equation is a quadratic equation. In solution, 3x square minus y square is equal to 26. 3x square minus 5xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. Factorize equation number 2. 3x square minus 5xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. 3x square minus 9xy plus 4xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. 3x common x minus 3y plus 4y common x minus 3y. 3x plus 4y x minus 3y is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 4y. X is equal to minus 3y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3y. So it means that x is equal to minus 4y by 3 or x is equal to 3y. Putting the value of x in equation number 1 from equation number 3. 3 into 3y whole square minus y square is equal to 20. So 3 into 9y square minus y square is equal to 26. 3 9s are 27. Y square minus y square is equal to 26. 26y square is equal to 26. Y square is equal to 1. Y square is equal to square root 1 by taking square root on both sides. So y is equal to 1 or y is equal to minus 1. Putting the value of y in equation number 3, which is x is equal to minus 4y by 3. So y is equal to 1 or y is equal to minus 1. So by putting x is equal to minus 4 by 3, when putting y is equal to 1 while x is equal to 4 by 3 when y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3 when y is equal to 1, while x is equal to minus 3 when y is equal to minus 1. Putting the value of x in equation number 4 from equation number 1. 3 into 4y divided by 3 whole square minus 5 square is equal to 26. 3 into 16y square divided by 9 minus y square is equal to 26. 48y square divided by 9 minus y square is equal to 26. 48y square minus 9y square is divided by 9 is equal to 26. 39y square divided by 9 is equal to 26. 39y square is equal to 26 multiplied by 9. Multiply 9 on both sides. So 39y square is equal to 234. Y square is equal to 6. Taking square root on both sides, y is equal to plus minus under the root 6. Putting the value of y in equation number 4, y is equal to minus 4y by 3, x is equal to minus 4 square root 6 divided by 3, or minus 4 minus under the root 6 divided by 3. So the next step is x is equal to minus 4 square root 6 divided by 3, x is equal to 4 square root 6 divided by 3. So the solution set is 3 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 under root 6 divided by 3, 4 under root 6 divided by 3 minus under root 6. Question number 10 is similar to question number 11. So student, question number 12 is x square plus xy is equal to 5, y square plus xy is equal to 3. So another type of simultaneous equation. In solution, x square plus xy is equal to 5, which is 1. Y square plus xy is equal to 3, which is equation number 2. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 5. You clearly see that xy and xy are both involved in two equations. So by multiplying equation number 1 by 3, so it will become 3x square plus 3xy is equal to 15, while multiply 5 with equation number 2, which means that 5y square plus 5xy is equal to 15. Subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 3x square plus 3xy is equal to 15, and equation number 4 is 5y square plus 5xy is equal to 15. By subtracting 3x square minus 2xy minus 5y square is equal to 0, it is a quadratic equation. So it means that by using factorization method, 3x square minus 5xy plus 3xy minus 5y square is equal to 0. X common 3x minus 5y plus y common 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. 3x minus 5y, x plus y is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 5y, or x is equal to minus y. X is equal to 5y by 3, or x is equal to minus y. So x is equal to 5y by 3 from equation number 6. Put x is equal to minus y in equation number 1. So it means that x square plus xy is equal to 5. By putting the value of x minus y square plus y into minus y is equal to 5. Y square minus y square is equal to 5. 0 doesn't equal to 5, which is impossible. So now from equation number 5, put x is equal to 5y by 3 in equation number 1. So 5y by 3 whole square plus 5y by 3 into multiply by y is equal to 5. So 25y square divided by 9 plus 5y square divided by 3 is equal to 5. The next step is 25y square plus 15y square is equal to 5. By taking LCM. So 25y square plus 15y square is equal to 45. 40y square is equal to 45. Y square is equal to 45 divided by 40. So it means that y square is equal to 9 by 8. So taking square root on both sides, it means that plus minus x is equal to 3 divided by 2 under root 2, or y is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 under root 2. Now putting the value of y in equation number 5, which is 5y by 3, x is equal to 5 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 2 under root 2, and the other one also is 5 by 3 into minus 3 divided by 2 under root 2. So after simplification, 5 divided by 2 under root 2 and minus 5 divided by 2 under root 2. Solution set is here. Question number 13 is similar to question number 12, so it is your home assignment.
Exercise 2.8 topic: the real life problem leading to quadratic equations. Question number 1: the product of two positive consecutive numbers is 182. Find the numbers. Solution: let first consecutive number be x, let second consecutive number be x plus 1. According to given condition, product x into x plus 1 is equal to 182, x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 14 minus 13 x plus 14 is equal to 0. X plus 14 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. X plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. As x is positive number, therefore we ignore the negative value, so x is equal to 13. Then first positive number is x is equal to 13, second positive number is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So 13 and 14 are two required consecutive numbers. Question number 2: the sum of the square of three positive consecutive number is 77. Find them. So solution: let x plus 1 and x plus 2 be the three consecutive numbers. According to given condition, x square plus x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 77, because the sum of the square of the three positive consecutive number is 7. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square by opening the formula, which is x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 77. The next step is 3x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 77. 3x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 77 is equal to 0. 3x square plus 6x minus 72 is equal to 0. Now 3 will be common. X square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Divided 3 on both sides, so x square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. By using factorization, x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 6 minus 4 common, x plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 4 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 6. So positive consecutive number, so it means that x is a positive number, therefore we neglect the negative value and we take the positive value of x, like x is equal to 4. It means that minus 6 is ignored. First positive number, which is x is equal to 4. Second positive number, which is x plus 1 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Third positive consecutive number is x plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 4, 5 and 6 are the three required positive numbers. Question number 3 and 4 is similar to question number 1 and 2. Question So 65x square is equal to 65, x square is equal to 1. Question number 7. The sum of the coordinates of the point is 9 and sum of their square is 45. Find the coordinates of the point. Solution: let x, y are coordinates of required point. According to given condition, x plus y is equal to 9, equation number 1, and second equation is this. Sum of their square is 45, means x square plus y square is equal to 45. From equation number 1, x is equal to 9 minus y become equation number 3. Putting the values of x in equation number 2, which is x square plus y square is equal to 45. 9 minus y whole square plus y square is equal to 45. 81 plus y square minus 18y plus y square is equal to 45. 2y square minus 18y plus 81 minus 45 is equal to 0. 2y square minus 18 plus 36 is equal to 0. So 2 is common, y square minus 9y plus 18 is equal to 0. Dividing 2 on both sides. Question number 10. Find the dimension of a rectangle whose perimeter is 80 cm and its area is 375 cm square. Solution. Let width of the rectangle is equal to x centimeter and length of a rectangle is equal to y centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 80 centimeter, which is given in the question. Area of rectangle is equal to 375 centimeter square. So 2 into length plus width equal to perimeter. So 2 into x plus y bracket close is equal to 80. X plus y is equal to 80 divided by 2. X plus y is equal to 40. Area will be equal to length multiplied by width. So 375 is equal to x multiplied by y. Xy is equal to 375, which is equation number 2. From equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 minus y. Put in equation number 2. X is bracket 40 minus x bracket close is equal to 375. X multiplied with 40, which is 40x minus x square is equal to 375. 40x minus x square shifted to the right hand side, which means that 0 is equal to x square minus 40x plus 375. X square minus 40x plus 375 is equal to 0. By using quadratic, by using factorization method, x square minus 25x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 25 minus 15 common, x minus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 15 and x minus 25 is equal to 0. X is equal to 15 or x is equal to 25. Putting the value of x in equation number 1, 15 plus y is equal to 40 or 25 plus y is equal to 40. Y is equal to 40 minus 15 or y is equal to 40 minus 25. Y is equal to 25 or y is equal to 15. If x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 25, and x is equal to 25, then y is equal to 15. So the dimension of a rectangle are either 25 cm by 15 cm or 15 cm by 25 cm.